Hello, welcome. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you ready?
Yeah, this time I'm ready after first trial.
Alright, let's
I
go.
think I am.
You're gonna look in front, Ziza, when I give you the countdown. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, welcome back. So how was your ride?
I feel like I passed out, but I did not. Yeah, it was good. It was a good experience after. I went up, came down. I was so scared. But yeah, you gotta conquer fear, you know.
Okay. Thank you. See you soon, yeah?
You're gonna look in front, Ziza, when I give you the countdown. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.